Welcome to Logic Bullets, where we tackle illogical subjects with the precision of Team America World Police, and then break them down with the best possible arguments for civil discourse and logical discussions of objective truth. There will be an air of slight humor and satire, as comedy is one of the best forms of making light of real-world problems, all while acknowledging their existence, hopefully without too much offense being felt. While some subjectivity may come into play, it will always be backed by facts grounded in reality. Everyone has an opinion, and while not all opinions hold the same value, I appreciate hearing viewpoints that might sway my stance or even change my mind. However, I must emphasize that illogical, baseless, or disrespectful opinions will be rejected at my discretion. So please, share your thoughts in the comment section with maturity, civility, respect, and dignity. As we're all aware, AI technology is monitoring our interactions, but it lacks the discernment of the human brain. Please use your best judgment before hitting that submit button, ensuring that your comments are respectful and appropriate for a public forum like YouTube. Thank you for listening to my brief introduction. I look forward to engaging discussions and hope you enjoy the content I'll be sharing. Welcome to the channel.